give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on.
So it's absolutely chucking it down. However, a very good friend of ours is next door but one, and we're going to go and knock him up. Oh yeah. Kill the lights and cue the music.
Can't believe it, absolutely amazing. My brother from another mother, Tony and Claire, Adventure Van Freddy, are on the way. They're about halfway up the bloody road. Cracking.
Hello, Sky.
What a lovely surprise.
Well, we had
when
to
you messaged me, you said, yeah, just up the road.
Yeah.
well.
Look who it is! Slimy old bleeding Riley, if it ain't my best buddies.
It's the man himself, the legend.
Getting the kettle on.
Who's that? Who's that then?
Got no bloody camera, boy.
Who's that? No,
New
same
camera.
one. Same
Same
one.
ways, yeah.
Yeah. Who's that? Who's that? It's the
Sugar and milk.
most famous dog on telly. Get the kettle on, mother.
Pissing down a bloody, what a time to come. We're going to be surrounded by sea in about half an hour.
Is it?
An hour? Yeah, we'll be totally under, and you will be probably.
Wow, bloody hell.
Look who's in Christine again. Oh my bleeding gold.
We might be staying the night.
Blimey,
It's not only my best, but yeah, they might be staying the night. We've been chatting away half an hour, and the tide's up to the bloody door. How they're going to get into the bloody van? You have to give Claire a piggyback. So.
Oh my
Oh my god.
That way.
Yeah, it surges
this,
back
folks.
Hang on.
up. Whereas it's high tide in about 25 minutes.
25 minutes,
So you
what's
got-
even going to come in even more?
Look at it, it's go for it.
You won't go back out until tomorrow.
5 to 11, he's got to go in the sea to get to his van.
All happens here, folks, doesn't it? Every time.
Come and see country, that's what happens.
It's either a monsoon.
Are you taking?
Yeah, I am taking my shoes off. I can't walk around in them.
Thanks.
Mate, I can't believe it. When you said the tide's going to come in.
You know, I've always wanted a threesome.
Yeah, he's got his legs out ready.
You can't go out tonight. Here's Tony and Claire actually paddling through the sea to get to their van. I ain't going out there. It's about 6 inches deep. I don't know whether you can see around the corner there, guys. Freddie's just behind me. It's me step down and we've got the sea. And Claire and Tony have just had to walk back to the van up there. The van is up there somewhere in the sea.
Never
It's a good look.
Look at these two.
experienced this before.
Come to see me and I've thrown them in the sea.
Yeah.
Oh bloody hell, 11 o'clock at night and we're having a paddle.
Best
Look,
thing is the seaweed's warm.
yeah, it's nice around your toes, isn't it? Look at the seaweed and all sorts floating down there.
It's a proper van life thing. This.
Yeah,
My feet haven't been washed for a week.
yeah.
I know.
I'll put them in the sea.
Something rather soothing about it.
Yeah. Surprise, what a bloody surprise to see me. My brother from another mother and gorgeous Claire again, Adventure Van Freddy. Absolutely amazing to see those two. I mean, you know how much I like Tony and Claire, guys. He's one of my original Van fam, really is. And love them both to bits, Tony and Claire. And they've come to see me and they've got soaking wet for the privilege. Because we're in the sea again, chatting away half an hour, and I forgot the tide was coming in.
So that was a great evening catching up with Stephen. Really glad we've caught him before we make our way back across the channel. And real funny. He's such a great guy. So be sure to go and check him out on Country Van Life UK. If you've not done so already, or if you're new to our channel, go and check out Stephen. He's a full-time van lifer and he puts out loads of content, guys, so be sure to go and check him out. We'll be going to bed, so until tomorrow, good night.
Good night.
Morning, folks, and welcome to Portsmouth. A wet, windy, tidal park up, that's for sure. So we'll just get ourselves squared up and we're going to go and knock on our good friend Stephen.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Have a good night.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
It's all right with it.
Yeah.
What are you doing in there, you little monkey? Nice place, isn't it?
So the boys are back in town once
Boys
again.
Are back in town. Freddie, Christine and Freddie.
Absolutely.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Pop your bonnet, mate, and we'll have a look at your alternator. So Steve's got a unusual problem. We'll have a look and see if we can fix it. So his alternator's not charging. We think there's a short there somewhere. So we'll have a little look first thing this morning before it starts raining again, because that's what it does here.
Every time you meet me, you're in my bonnet.
Did you hear that?
Pardon the expression.
Every time I meet Stephen, I'm in his bonnet.
Good old Tony's had his head in this bonnet for the last hour trying to sort my bloody gears out. What a bleeding hero. He's actually sorted it as well.
Brilliant. Right, we'll have a quick look, folks.
So we appear to have inherited a van dog. Sky. Hello. So for those that don't know, that is Sky, star of Country Van Life TV UK, and along with her owner Stephen. But she's come to visit us this morning. Well, after the tide coming up to the van and Freddie turning into a boat last night, I don't think Sky wants to leave. I don't think she wants the wet feet this morning. It has calmed down. It was a bit windy last night, and God, the rain was hammering it down. But other than that, it was a very quiet park up. It was nice.
We're going to whip out the alternator, check the old one, and then put the new one in and see whether we can figure out why we're getting a short. And Stephen, bless him, has been doing this a few times now, mate, haven't you?
Yeah, bloody hell. 6th time I've put this in and out.
6?
Yep.
Bloody short somewhere, and we'll try and figure it out.
Have you got
Difficult.
a spanner that wide? There's one I've used that blue.
So we're on the hunt to go and pick up some tools for Stephen there. The tools I carry in Freddie aren't enough, and same with Stephen. And that's the problem when you're living in a van full time. It's your house. So if you need house maintenance done, you'll have tools everywhere in your garage, shed, bedroom, lounge. When you're in a van, it's a completely different scenario. So we need to try and get this sorted before we head off. We can't stay too long today. We've got bits we need to do in Pompey before we head back over to France. But yeah, let's see if we can get him out of a bit of a muddle. There you go. Good present for you.
Oh man.
So another thing we're working against here, folks, is the bloody tide.
Yeah, about half an hour I think.
Half an hour and Christina would be boating again. Keep pushing, Steve. Oh, there goes the torch. A real quick stop, unfortunately, this time with Stephen. We must get together and hook up on a big one, I reckon,
yeah,
soon.
definitely, mate.
But he's looking well, folks, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's looking well. Been through a lot this year. He's looking well, mate.
We'll get in there. We'll get in there.
Good.
We'll see you later, Sky. Bye bye, beautiful. Let Stephen jump back in before he can't jump in.
I'll have to climb
Do
over
some
the top
filming.
of it to get in. I'll go through the window.
Go through the wind. Yeah. All right, mate.
All right, guys. Thanks, mate. Nice to see you. And you, Claire, darling.
Done the best we could there with, in the circumstances. Tide's coming in far too quick for us to actually get the job completed, unfortunately, and we've got to leave Stephen now. But there he goes. He knows his way around.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here.
Only on Country Van Life.
Things don't work out the way I thought they would. And for you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost.
Lots of love, mate.
You're the one who can
Take
make
care.
it go away. All you have to do is look at me.
Farewell.
Sometimes
See you soon. We wish you all the very
can't
best.
breathe,
And take care.
it feels like you're the one
See you later,
who
Stephen.
saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
The one thing this whole camper vanning has taught us is you never know where you'll find your next friendship.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling
We met Stephen on the Isle of Anglesey many years ago and have since shared a few adventures together.
the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
We leave our van life friend behind as he continues to make his videos and shares his entire life whilst living full-time in his van Christie.
Who saves me? The one who saves me.
He is a great guy and we love him to bits. We feel a little sad leaving him on his own. However, let's make a pact, brother.
Next time, let's go on an adventure together.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
So there's times that you're disappointed to leave Blighty, and there's times that you're not. So we've had a bit of a long wait. The ferry got delayed, so we've been in Portsmouth all day after seeing Stephen. It was great to catch up with him. So good to see you, mate, and we'll make sure we make more of an adventure of it next time. Hope the alternator got sorted out. We did struggle through a bit before the tide come in, but yeah, hope you got it sorted out, buddy, and if you didn't, let us know. But yeah, so we're waiting to board the ferry from Portsmouth to Calne. Over the Loire.
was a bit of a narrow bridge, and we had a bit of a bump with a Volkswagen. But I think we're all okay. I think it was just wing mirrors.
People don't want to slow down in France. Just don't go.
No, you're right. They didn't want to slow down, kept coming towards us, and both a bit wider than your average car. So, yeah, bumped wing mirrors, but I think everything's okay. We'll pull over in a bit and just double check, but everything seems to be intact.
Yeah. So here we are, back in sunny France after leaving the magnificent UK, although albeit a little gloomy. And now we're back in France, ready and looking forward to the next one, wherever that may be. Well guys, that's it for another adventure. Until the next one, we'll see you on the road
soon.
Many thanks for watching.
Please leave a thumbs up and a comment.
And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. So if you'd like to support us, please click the Buy Me a Coffee link in our video description or in our social media bios. And we'll see you on the road
Soon.